I was out on a trip near the Finger Lakes with my girlfriend and I cracked this off of a boulder. So why do I have this piece of slate anyway? Having this is going to allow you to make a concrete stamp. So when you put the concrete on your wall, you can stamp it with the texture of this rock and it's going to look identical. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how we can do that. We're going to use flex paste. So I gave flex paste a call and I asked them, what would be the best thing to use to keep that flex paste from making a bond on this rock? And they said any silicone product. We have ourselves a silicone surface safe lubricant. Oh, they sure don't make it easy. There we go. I'm going to spray this rock first. I'm going to make sure we get inside the cracks. So now we're going to take our silicone. I'm going to spread it out with this. The goal of this is just to get it all out of the container. I'm just going to push, try to give it some room. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to push the Flex Seal out without lifting up on it too much because it is on silicone. And the silicone spray, it will not adhere to. You just got to keep working it, pushing down. You want to make sure you're going to get it in there. I'll go over it many times, working in different directions. When we're doing this, we want to make this about 1/4 inch thick at least. So there is our Flex Seal mold. We're going to let this set for 48 hours. We're going to peel it off. We're going to use this for the entrance of the wine cellar. I guess my cat Marley wants to be in this shot. She's admiring the finished rock wall. So anyway, these are our finished concrete rock wall stamps. Now we're filming this at the same time making up this rock wall, so if you want to check that video out on how to do it, the link will be at the end of this video. So here we are. I glued them onto wood blocks and they're in small pieces so that way I can choose different textures in different spots, especially if you're working in smaller areas. Now these two I use mostly on this rock wall here. As I stressed earlier in the video, definitely soak up the rock with oil. It'll start to get dry and then add more and just keep doing it until that rock is saturated with oil, because while the Flex Seal was curing, the silicone oil was absorbing into the rock and drying out, which allowed the Flex Seal to slightly adhere to that rock, making it pretty difficult to peel off. And if you're looking to get one solid big piece out of it without it breaking, you're going to want to soak the hell out of it. So hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe and check out the rock wall video.